I say, this is the first gardening update video of 2021. Hey people, just doing a small gardening update. My plants are all scattered out here because we might be getting some more rain. I don't want to pull them back just in case. And I'm going to have to put my rubber tree in a smaller container. I think it's too big. It probably likes to be crowded. If you know about that, let me know in the comments, please. And my other plants, when I feel a little better, I'm going to come out here and fix them, arrange them better on this rack here, this shelf. You see, look at my green onion plant. Look how wildly twisted and well, it's just twisted. It's growing all twisted since it rained. It looks beautiful to me. See the green onion plant? That thing is like 3 years old. I don't know what's down there, a big onion or a big green onion. Cinnamon basil, my elephant plant, burro's tail, my other little stuff. Look like the rain shifted the direction of how I had it sitting over there because they're facing toward the gate. And my propagated pothos, devil's ivy, my prayer plant I need to propagate. I haven't done anything yet, nothing at all, but I know I need to put my baby rubber plant into a smaller container. And there's my snake plant. Remember the flowers? I think it's dying off. I think that rainwater, it helped it. Some of the leaves, I think it had too much water. I don't know. It's growing still. They're just looking pale. Some of the leaves are green, but that's what the little flower looks like now. And there go my jade thumb plant. There is my star sansevieria. All that stuff is just scattered around everything. How that weed got in that basket back there, I do not know. Birds probably dropping stuff. But anyway, look up there. Wait, let me see if I can get it to me. That plant right there is getting flowers on it. Yeah. Anyway, this is just a short coming here and sharing with y'all what's going on my balcony garden. Look at this plant right here. Those things growing up out of it. It looks like the thumb plant, and it looks like it's trying to bloom something. See those things? I don't know, but I guess everybody doing all right. Look at the what is it? The creeping Charlie creeped all up out of that basket. Wait a minute. But anyway, that's it. Let me get out of here. Uh-oh, go back. Just saying hi with the garden family. All right, till the next one.